of the ship together with the stars of this movie. Please welcome Derek Kathy Garcia Sampana together with Donnie Pangilinan and Bill Mariano. Now we invite the rest of the cast and Miss Van to join Derek, Kathy, Donnie, and Belle for a photo. This is it, guys. Today, we watch one of the biggest relationship drama offerings coming from Star Cinema. And now we're witnessing the creatives and the cast of this show. Thank you so much. May we invite the cast to take their seats. But Donnie and Belle to remain for a few shots. You have to say, it has to be one of the biggest, if not the biggest projects of Donnie Bell. Tayo sa Wakas. All right, let's take your seats. Just want to say, okay, well, everyone's getting comfortable, that this vehicle beside us is used in the movie. In fact, isa ito sa magbibigay ng kasagutan sa maraming nilang katanungan tungkol sa kanilang sarili at sa isa't isa. Okay, but talking about this car, why don't we take a trip down memory lane and see how this big project came into fruition first. So I invite all of the people right here to look at the screen and watch this.
Nasa naman tayo.
Dito pa rin.
With Miss Van. Hi, Miss Van. Kailangan nyo may pinakamagandang buhok daw muna. Yes.
Hello? Yeah. Hi, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito sa aming MediaCon today. And dun po sa mga nanonood, hello po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, Miss Van. How about the very lovely Mia?
Hello po, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Maraming pong salamat sa pagdalo dito at sa mga nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Ako po si Mia Canton, part ng cast ng Tayo sa Wakas.
Hi, Mia Canton. We love having you here. Emilio.
Hello po sa aming mga kaibigan dito sa media. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta na dito sa MediaCon ng Tayo sa Wakas. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat. How about you, River?
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Ako po si River Joseph and unang-una maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo today and hopefully we enjoy today. Ayun lang po.
And we shall enjoy today. Ako, hindi po ako magsasawa na sabihin na isa pong karangalan talaga na makasama ang nag-iisang Joros Gamboa dito. Joros, you wanna say hi to everyone?
Salamat, Robby. Gusto ko lang sabihin na isa ka sa pinakamagaling na host dito sa Pilipinas. Pakiramdam ko nga, ikaw na yung papalit kay Kuya Germs.
Diyos ko po.
Kumbaga, sa ganung level. At sa lahat ng kasama natin dito, sa ating mga nagagandahan at nagagwapuhang mga taga-press at sa media. Ako po ay tatakbo. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, gusto ko lang sabihin na ito ulit yung chance para maibalik natin ulit ang mga Pilipino sa sinehan po. Ayun po.
Big, ano yan, big revelation for you, and big commitment as well. Diba? How about you, Sir Epi?
Good afternoon, guys. Good to see familiar and new faces this afternoon. Mag-enjoy tayo.
Thank you, Sir Epi. Direk, we missed you.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Thank you sa ating mga kakampi sa media. Sa lahat na nanonood online. Yes, today is gonna be a fun day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Pwede mo may tissue?
Bakit po?
Pagkatabi ko talaga to, tinan mo na, naiyak na ako katatawa.
Maghingi po tayong tissue, okay?
Ang tissue raw po.
Especially later on, we'll have that big emotional moment. Ako, abangan niyo po yan, mga kapamilya. Now, before we go to Donnie and Belle, I just want to ask, I know it's summer right now, mainit talaga yung panahon. Is that part of your character or talagang gusto mo lang magpagupit?
Umamin ka!
Well, we're still shooting now.
Oh, okay.
So,
Okay.
Alam ko na yun.
mag-shoot pa rin kami. Oo.
Okay. Okay.
Bagay naman, di ba, Ro?
At so, lahat ng hairstyle bagay sa kanya.
Mas
Ayan.
gwapong hairstyle mo, opa na opa eh.
Nagpalit lang tayo. Ito yung sa trailer nakita ko eh. So, gagayahin ko yung buhok ni Donnie doon sa poster. Okay? But you wanna say hi to everyone first, Donnie and Belle?
Yes, hello po to our friends na media. Thank you guys so much for taking the time. Finally, nandito na po tayo sa MediaCon. And of course, to our brands who've been supporting us and sa mga supporters natin, everyone watching online. Thank you so much.
Hello to our press and media. How are you guys? Okay naman po. Sana po enjoy natin tong evening na to. Ayan.
Direct?
Hindi, aminin na natin totoo. Donnie did this for the film. I asked him to. Noong una, syempre, andun yung fear. This is the first time he's ever done this in his entire life. And I admired him for doing this for the film.
And if I'm not mistaken, they have these two people that we have, Donnie and Belle. They have done a lot of things for this project na hindi pa nila ginagawa before. Like what Direk mentioned, talagang buong puso at kaluluwang binigay nila. In fact, if it's okay to mention, I think it's okay. You guys are producers as well for the movie that we have.
Oh, nasa poster pangalan nila eh.
Oo, yan. At least, klaro lang lahat. Ibang klaseng dedication itong binigay nila Donnie Pangilinan and Belle Mariano for this project. And now, we move on to one of the biggest surprises that we have for all of our kapamilyas, including